Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to import and export your watch list in TradingView. Whether you're switching devices or just want a backup, this quick tutorial has you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. First, head over to tradingview.com and log into your account. On the right-hand side, click on the watchlist panel to open your saved tickers. Step 2. To export, click the three dots at the top of your watchlist. Choose Export Watchlist to CSV. This will download a CSV file with all your current tickers, perfect for backup or sharing. Step 3. To import, click the same three-dot menu, then select Import Watchlist from CSV. Upload the CSV file that contains your ticker list, and it will automatically appear in your TradingView. Bonus tip: make sure your CSV file only contains valid ticker symbols, and each symbol should be on a separate line. Use Google Sheets or Excel to easily manage your lists before uploading. And that's how you import and export watch lists on TradingView. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple tutorials like this. See you next time!